Today we got a new product from Saker. It's a mini electric chainsaw. I'm going to show y'all what all it comes with. We're going to see how well it cuts on these Bodark limbs, which if anybody knows Bodark, which is Osage orange, it is some mean stuff. We've got some ash over there. We're going to cut, see how it works on that. We got some pecan right there. We're going to see how it works on that. But in the meantime, let me show you what comes with this. You got your cool little carrying case. And yes, they sent me the pink one. And we got to have chickens involved. Everything involves animals. All right, they sent me some gloves. They sent me 2 extra chains, a little screwdriver, a little bit of oil, my Rhythm material, my saw, 2 batteries, safety glasses, and my daddy always called these a monkey wrench, but Rick says they're not. But little chainsaw wrench and chargers for the batteries. And I've already charged my batteries. And here's our saw. And it comes with a chain on it. And babe, you know I don't use gloves and safety equipment, so yeah. So what would you say this is, about a 2.5 inch? We're gonna see how it works. I may knock a chicken in the head. Ooh, look at that. That guy's smooth. Look at that, babe. And yes, I have a new videographer today. Rick's been my videographer. That cut real smooth. Well, it cut that on Bodark, so that didn't do bad. All right, let's go over to the ash. And we'll have chickens follow. And there's something, I think, crawling on my neck. Could you get it? No, up around my chin. Spider web?
Here.
Oh, great. Don't tell me I'm getting a beard. If I get a beard, I'll be more manly than you. Because you can't grow a beard. I guess this is probably about 3 inches, babe. Possibly. About 2.5. And this is ash. And ladies and gentlemen, that did pretty well. It cut through this a lot easier than it did the Bodark. So it ought to cut through the pecan really easy, huh?
That thing is there.
pecan. That's pecan right there, right? Laying on the ground. On the kids' teeter-totter. I'd say that one's probably 4 inches. Now we got to get all this mess cleaned up, huh? Oh, a dead pecan? Even this, that don't look bad. That's the only choice I have because I'm not tall enough to reach clear up there. I was shouting the drawers. I'm 5'8", but crap. Really, babies? Come on now. Scoot, scoot. Scoot, scoot. You're so scared of me. I cut that pretty smooth too. So, this is going to be pretty handy for cutting up kindling for our wood stove. If we go camping, I ain't out there having to chop wood, and neither are you. We got this. I will leave a link to this little jewel in my description below. And Saker, I love this. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to promote, because I love this. And if y'all have any questions, let me know. Don't be like I did. Make sure you use your safety equipment because, well, you know. But if I was to use safety equipment, I'd probably get hurt. Because everything I do is backwards. So with that being said, thank you, Saker. I hope y'all go check this out. No, I do not get paid for it, but I do get to keep the product. So remember, y'all, the world's a better place because y'all are in it. Please never forget it. And I love y'all, each and every one. Y'all take care. Bye. I ain't gonna worry about that. We'll try that over there. Let me tell them that you're doing it correctly according to Rick Brown. All right, we got to put the grooves up against the wood to where it'll hold it in place. And it'll cut easier. Like butter. Uh-oh.
That's why I stay on you pinch the blade.
Told you I could pick it up by my hand. I ain't that weak. I am that weak. Would you turn it off a while ago? Oh. Well, I don't know of anything else to say other than I love this little thing. And it's hotter than hell out here. So I guess that'll do our review on the little mini chainsaw.